Hello, welcome you all. Now I am going to give a demo of the home quarantine kit. It comes with a 3-ply mask, which needs to be applied like this. And then it comes with an isolation gown. There is a Velcro, it helps to stick. And then there is rope to wrap around. And then finally you can cover yourself. And a pair of cotton gloves, it can be washed and reused also. We also provide you one head hood, it will be worn around the neck. And finally provide a face shield. This is a good product used either for self-isolation or for a personal safety. Thank you all.